Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Mom and I were recently at Costco and we spotted heavy-duty string light pole sets. There's 2 poles per box and they're an easy way to string up lights. We also picked up a box of Artica solar string lights. Once home, I unboxed the lights, added the rechargeable battery, and fully charged the battery through USB-C. Then I unboxed the poles. Everything is included to be able to add the poles to your yard, fence, deck, or concrete. We'll be using the yard option. In the manual, it shows some different layout ideas. It also suggests to draw out an outline before installing the poles, which I did right here. We got 2 boxes of poles, so we'll have 4 separate poles, but I'm only going to use 3 in my design. I'll be installing them around the fire pit area to add some mood lighting. I started by adding the first yard stake. There's an included metal rod to help place the stake. There's also an included level to keep an eye out on how level it is as you're placing it into the ground. Towards the end, it was a little bit more challenging, so I knelt down to be able to put my weight into pushing the stake into the ground. Then I screwed on the 10-foot pole, which comes in 3 sections. I moved on to the next stake. This time I found it easier to just use my hands to get the stake in place, and towards the end, I used the metal bar tool. I adjusted the rocks to get it as level as possible, then I added the 3 poles that twist into place. And I finished the last one in the same way. I did this in the afternoon on the same day that it had rained all that morning. I think this was a great idea as the ground was easy to dig into as it had been saturated with water. I got the 3rd one adjusted and placed the 3 poles. On the top of each pole, there's a carabiner that holds the lights up. And here are the 3 light poles in place. Mom's been spending more time in Orlando with the grandkids, so I did this install by myself, which was doable, but it would have been faster with a second person. You'll notice there's red on the light bulbs. That's packaging that would have been easier to remove if I had done that inside, so keep that in mind before you bring your lights out. This is a 10-foot extension to plug the lights into the solar panel. As this was an overcast day, I didn't know what the best placement would be for this, so I'll adjust it later. I moved on to the second pole and attached the lights. There were some tree branches in the way, so I trimmed those. Next, I hung the lights on the 3rd pole. I wasn't sure when I was planning how far the lights would reach, but to my happy surprise, the rest of the string lights stretched far enough to reach back to the first pole to make a nice canopy over my fire pit. Lastly, I zip tied the power cord to the first pole. And here they are, all finished. Very subtle during the day, but adds a nice vibe at night. On the first sunny day, I realized the solar panel was in the shadows of my house, so I moved it. But again, a nice feature of these lights is that they can be USB-C charged. I also love that these lights have a remote control that it can control the brightness, the pattern of the lights, and how long they stay on. Also a great bonus is the remote reaches from inside my house. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube.